Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Kayla and I'm back with the next video. But before we jump into the video, make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe. Turn on that post notification bell so whenever I post you guys will be notified. So wanna done sit down in the description below. Alright, you wanna done see the title what me I gonna do. Right, so let's just jump right in the video. Alright guys, so some of the package right here, so this means we go back a bit. Some of the package right here, so alright, so we're just gonna pull it. And guys, it's from Temu. Yeah, it's in the description. A Temu package. Alright. Alright. Alright, so I'm gonna get them out. So first, we're gonna go with the phone case. Alright. It have thank you Lord at the back. Alright. Banglat, triangle that. I love it. Like it's just I love it. It's cute. It's cute. Mega add a more phone case. It's cute guys. It's cute. Next time, yeah, I love this. Like it's cute. Alright, so the phone case. I'm gonna put it on right now because the phone case I'm gonna have, it's a normal. Alright, up next we have I think this is the eyeglass. I think. Right, angle triangle that, bangle that. Alright, so I have the glass. Woo. Woo. Let's see. Man, I want to full on the camera, but let's see. Oh God, guys. Talk to me now. Oh my God, I love this. Oh, cheese, guys. Alright, I'm gonna just take off this. Guys, I love it. Me love this to me. Bads. Me love this to me. Alright. Guys, so what we're gonna do next? Alright, I think these are some phone case. Yeah, phone case, 12 Pro phone case. Not case, screen protector. Cause guys, my screen protector, it damaged, so it cracked. So I'm gonna have to get screen protector. So let's see. Alright, this is like, oh, so I think these are wipes. Yeah, to remove excess dirt of the screen. And I got, oh, it's 3 of them. Oh, it's 2 of them. 2, so I got 2. Okay. Alright. So guys, and the phone case, they are thick, very thick, good quality, guys. Very thick, them thick. I'm gonna really want to take it out for nasty or anything, but it's thick, guys. It's thick, like it's thick, good quality. Good quality. And bear in mind, guys, this is my first time ever I shop on Temu, and their products, they are good. Them good. Right, so I purchased this B39 headset. I can't bother with the little earbuds. Them I get sick now. So I purchased this. Alright. Okay. Alright. I have to take time with this because I don't want to break it up. So trees. Oh, also, hey, this is the and it's so comfortable. Like guys, listen, I love it. My in love, like my in love already. My in love, bad. Oh, and it come with, I don't know what's this supposed to be, something, but it says wireless. So yeah, wireless. So I don't know what it's supposed to be. May have to read the box or something. So probably this is to connect bangers or something. When I have Bluetooth or something. But this says wireless, so I figure out what I like to say. I must start. And this is the charger. Alright. Okay. Good so far. Love the things them so far. Alright, so I'm gonna jump right down to the slippers. So I ordered these slippers. Them look like them can't even fit me. Jesus Christ. Don't start them something here. Ooh, they're so cute. No man, I want to go on for this. Them can't fit me, guys. No. Cause must say a problem in this. A problem in this if them couldn't fit me. You're crazy. You crazy bad. No. What a problem in this. What a problem. Oh my god, guys, them just so comfortable. Let me try it on. I don't like how I feel post on my foot in this. Man, I like it. But guys, look here. Ooh, jeez. Perfect. Yeah, I love this to be. So the little white slippers on my foot got to go, cause I got these. Guys, them comfortable, you know? Oh god. Comfortable body. I love them. Me love this to me. Alright. Slip it. You know my crazy bad. Alright. So let me just open the bag first. So I ordered this bag. Right. Ordered this. Ooh. I hope the bag good too, you know. Ooh, okay. Oh, you find me know because I say I really have one right here. So alright, so I'm gonna just fix up this. Fix them here. Alright. Guys, I like the bag. Like it's big. They have space, so but hold on there. I'm not supposed. I don't know how with this little lunch pan. Them things are some little. What kind of little piece of lunch pan this? Lunch kit, no lunch pan, lunch kit. I know what this. What's in your do? See if them put no little money in the bag. See if them put no money in the bag, guys. I'm gonna put the money in the bag. Them stay so. Alright, so as you can see, oh, the bag was charged. What you not say? Like it charged phone or something? This right here, so it charged phone or something? I don't really know, you know. But we're gonna see how that go later on. Alright, so see now the bag here. So right here, so let's see one little charge or something. I don't know exactly what this is. I have to go do some research. Right here, I guess it's for laptop. And we have a second part right here. You can show them your little pencil and your little something down in there. So right there, so and right at the side right here, so now we have, you know, you can drop your little juice, you know, yeah, your shoes brush, yeah. I'm good. I like the bag, guys, because my school bag I want to come bag. I eat it. So yeah, I'm gonna see it look come back now. Alright, so guys, that was it for the video. I hope you guys like, share, comment and subscribe. Turn on that post notification bell so anytime I post I will be notified. And yeah, I just hope you enjoy the video. And guys, I'll try my best to upload videos like twice a week. Like guys, it's been so rough with school and all of that, but I'll try my best to